Hi everybody, I'm back with another wig review, and this wig right here is going to be from Elva Hair Wigs, and they do have a store on Amazon. This wig is very affordable. It starts at $109. It has a very nice box, and also inside of the box you're going to get a care card, and it's basically just going to give you all of their information and show you some more of their wigs. They really have some gorgeous wigs on their site. So, you know, if you're interested in any of the wigs, make sure that you always read reviews just so that you can, know exactly what you're getting. Also going to get care instructions on how to care for your human hair wig, and this is great for beginners. It gives you all of the instructions letting you know how to care for your wig. Last but not least, you're going to get a net wig cap included in your packaging. Your wig does come in plastic packaging. I didn't show that part, but yeah, I'm just taking the stuffing out now. And I'm going to show you guys the wig. This is their 360 lace frontal wig, and they're saying it's 180% density. It also has a pre-plucked hairline, and this is their human hair curly hair wig. Now, I don't think that the density is 180%, but it is a decent density. Okay, so yeah, the wig doesn't have any funny smells or anything like that. The curls are really pretty straight out of the packaging. As you see, you get a ton of parting space. Okay, you get a ton of parting space, so if you're the one that likes to do all of that styling and stuff, this wig is perfect for you. Okay, you're going to get 3 combs at the top, 1 comb in the back, and you're also going to get your adjustable straps. And as you see, the lace is all the way around. You have lace in the back, so if you want to wear this wig up in an updo, you can do that. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and wash this wig so that we can see how this wig is going to look in its natural state. So I've gone ahead and washed and conditioned this hair, and now I'm just going to show you guys the hairline. And the hairline is indeed pre-plucked. The hairline is really nice. Okay, so if you are a beginner, I think that this is a really good beginner wig. If you wanted to wear this wig off of your face or to the back or however you want to do it, you would definitely be able to do that and not have to put much of any work into it. As you see, even after the hair has been washed, the curls are still super pretty. So I'm just going to go ahead and let this wig air dry, and then we will go ahead and see how it is looking when it's air dried. Okay everybody, so here is the wig right here in its natural state. It's gorgeous. As you see, the parting area looks natural. I didn't do anything but put powder in my parting space. I'm not getting any shedding or any tangling. I only got a little bit of shedding when I washed the hair. Other than that, none at all. And when I say that this is a beginner-friendly wig, this is really a beginner-friendly wig. All you have to do is throw this wig on and go. If you want to do all the extra stuff like glue it down and all of that, you can definitely do that. This wig is a medium cap size, and the lace is medium brown as well. And yeah, if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, there will be a link for you guys in the description bar. If you have any questions or comments, leave those below. And I thank you guys so much for watching.